Hey, what is up guys, this is Shreyas. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox and we are going to take a look at Bose SoundLink Mini 2 Bluetooth speakers. Alright, so when you open up the box, the first things which you will get is the different wall adapters of different sizes. There is 3-pin adapter, the 2-pin adapter, and we also get the US type, the UK type, and the European type wall adapters, which are definitely useful if you are going to carry your speakers at various places. On the inside, we get the big blue box which contains all the main stuff. So on the top, we get the usual startup guide, the serial number sheet, and when you open up the box, we will get the star of the show, the Bose SoundLink Bluetooth speaker itself, which by the way feels so much premium in the hand. Underneath of that, we get a small blue box which contains all the accessories. So we get the charging cradle, we get the warranty information and quick startup guide, we get a micro USB cable, and finally we get the power adapter, which is also Bose branded. Now let's talk about the design of this speaker. The SoundLink Mini 2 is definitely built like a tank. The outer part of this speaker houses aluminum casing, and it is a lot heavy considering its small size, but it definitely feels so much premium when you pick it up. On the top, you will find all the speaker controls, including power button, volume button, and multifunction button. These buttons helps you to control the volume, music, Bluetooth pairing, and for activating voice assistants like Siri. This speaker also features a microphone so that you can pick up the incoming calls. On the left hand side, you will find the micro USB charging port and a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack. Finally, at the bottom, you have pins for using the charging cradle. Overall, the SoundLink Mini 2 is definitely a good looking Bluetooth speaker that screams quality thanks to its weight and aluminum casing. So that's all about the design of this speaker itself, but now let's talk about the important thing, how does it sound? In a nutshell, it sounds fantastic. It has very balanced sound coupled with impressive bass, just makes the overall music experience so much better. It outputs very rich bass, which is very surprising considering its small size. Here is a sample of how it sounds. So the SoundLink Mini 2 is definitely a premium looking and sounding Bluetooth speaker. If you have budget of 16,000 rupees and if you are looking for best sounding Bluetooth speaker, you can't really go wrong with this one. So there you have it guys, I hope you liked this video. Thank you friends for watching, and I will catch you guys later.